This was given to me by my father. He was clearly a man of science.
He was clearly a common thief.
The memory of my father will not be defiled by the tongue of a pirate. This diary is my birthright, left to me on the steps of a children's home, along with a name and nothing else.
Oh, so you're an orphan. What be you called?
Brightest star in the north gave me my name.
That would be Karina.
Karina Smith.